Hello guys, in this fucking tutorial I'm gonna help you deploy your beautiful Django web application into the production. I mean, everybody with the URL of your website can get access to your beautiful Django website. So let's do it. So here we have a beautiful website that has a home page, and by clicking with the URL of nothing, you will get into the home page. Let me run the server for you a little bit. Here we are. Hello and fuck you. This is our website, but it has one problem, that no one else can find it and use it. Means it's in your local network, and so it's fucking useless. So what's the solution? Python fucking anywhere. It's a beautiful website that you can use to help you deploy your fucking Django application. So what it's a URL of this website, it's a URL of this website, pythonanywhere.com. You have to come here and click on login. I previously have another account, but I will create another one. I will do the rest of things, and after creating your account, please come back to this fucking video. So here we are. We logged in to our website and we have to do something. Actually, I have a piece of paper that is telling me what should I do with this website, and I'm helping you with this. So oh, don't forget, you have to also upload your website to your GitHub repository. It will help you upload your files into this Python Anywhere website. So I have already uploaded it. It's here. Oh no, I didn't upload it, I guess. So let me upload it and I will come back to you later. So I uploaded my files here, and you have to come and click here in code, and I think yes, copy this HTTPS URL. So let's get back to our website. So at first you have to come here and open a new console. Click here, very beautiful. And here, wait a minute for it to run files. Okay, it takes a little bit time. So here we have to type git clone and the URL that we have already copied. So it will clone all your files to this terminal. It's actually a computer that has a bash screen. I don't care about this shit, so let's move on. And after that, we have to make our virtual environment. So we have to type mk virtual env python /usr/bin and the version of your Python. I prefer to use 3.9 space, and you have to type the name of your virtual environment, like VENV, the short form for virtual environment. Woo! Do it please, man. Don't humiliate me in front of my viewers. Come on, come on. So I will pause the video and come back to you after it. No, it's okay. So I don't need to pause the video. So here we can see we are in the virtual environment. It has these I don't know what's the name of these things, but it's okay. So we have to also install our Django into our virtual environment. So type install Django. It's actually will download the requirements for your website. Wait a little bit. I will pause it here. So here we are. Oh fuck me. So we were having a little bit of problems. Let me check. It's not running again. No, it's okay. So let's jump back into our tutorial. Don't any more shits. So we installed our Django, and let me show how does it look. So we have actually a file here, my site. If I get into it, we have another folder actually because of my GitHub. So okay, actually we are now here in the main folder of project. We will I will pwd it, so it will give me the location of these files. Actually we have to you have to cd until you get to this file, this manage.py file. So actually we have to do some other things here. Click here and open another tab, and we have to get into this web tab. Add a new web app, and for the settings don't use Django, that's manual configuration. And remember what was your virtual environment version. Mine was this, so it will take a little bit, so it's okay. Now we built our web app, and we have to do some things. At first, come here to this virtual env and insert path to virtual env if desired. So you have to type the name of your virtual environment. Mine was venv, just that, and here you are. You uploaded it. Let me, what else you have to do? Oh, and come up to this section, code wsgi configuration file, and it's a file that actually I don't know what's this file, but I know you have to delete everything except this part, this Django. Delete everything, or if you don't want it, it's okay, but I prefer to delete it. And after that uncomment other things. Oh, actually delete these things. So you need import os, import sys, path here, this part, you don't need this part. Let me actually delete other comments. So you actually need these parts, and you have to do some things with everything with this. So we will copy this pwd, and we have to paste it to the path of our project. Let me check, is this right? Yes, it's actually okay. My site now, so it's here, and actually here in the os.this you have to check what's the name of your folder. It's my site. You have to actually type the name of your project and that setting. It's actually will come to this part. It will actually call this file. You can see we have a settings.py that is required to put here. It's actually will os to it will come to this file. So after that I think we don't need this file anymore, if I remember it correctly, and save it. Beautiful, and come back to the web tab. After that, it's actually done, but you have to do some other things. Come and so we have it here actually, but we have to copy the URL of your website and come to the files section, get to the folder of your files, it's here, my site, and get to the root of your settings file, and you have to put allowed host, the name of your URL, into this allowed host with double quotation. Actually, don't use HTTP and these things, just the name of your site .pythonanywhere.com and save it. Actually, I think it's done, but you have to also reload it. Reload it, wait a minute, wait some more minutes, wait a little bit more minutes. Oh, here. Oh my fucking god, this is our website, and by clicking in this link, fuck you, with beautiful f.pythonanywhere.com, you can get access to my site and you can do this. Give it a try. It's a beautiful fucking thing, and thank you for watching it until the end. Bye bye.